Good morning everyone. My name is Pratham Khandilal from grade 9. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 10th June 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. This is Varak from grade 9. On the behalf of Thoughtful Tuesday, I am going to tell thought for the day. The thought is, eyes are the windows to the soul, a smile is a mirror of the heart. I repeat, eyes are the windows to the soul, a smile is a mirror of the heart. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from grade 9.
I am Shreya from grade 9.
My name is Disha from grade 9.
This is Vrinda from grade 9. Today we are observing World Eye Donation Day. This day is observed on 10th of June every year to raise awareness about eye donation.
It encourages people to pledge their eyes even after death. You guys might be wondering, what is eye donation? Eye donation is giving the cornea even after death to people who someone needs it.
I want to add one point that the only cornea is used, not the whole eye.
It helps restore vision to people who are blind due to corneal damage. Now let me answer one of the important questions. Why is eye donation important? Today, over 12 million people in India still suffer due to corneal blindness.
Eye donation gives a gift of sight.
It is the one of the easiest way to help someone even after the death.
Who can donate eyes? Anyone aged 1 year to 100 plus can donate. Also, people with poor eyesight, high blood pressure and diabetes can donate too.
Eyes should be donated within 6 to 8 hours of death because it is preserved for a successful transplantation.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize that raising awareness and dispel myths
And inspiring actions.
wishing for a
World where no one lives in darkness due to lack of awareness.
thank you.
From today onwards, we're going to have a short breathing exercise first and support healthy lungs. So there are like 3 simple steps. First, you will breathe in through your nose. Then you will take a pause and hold your breath while I count, like from 1 to 5. And last, you will breathe out through your mouth. I hope instructions are clear. Breathe in through your nose. Take a deep breath. Now take a pause and hold your breath while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in through your nose. Take a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth. One last time. Inhale through your nose. Take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale through your mouth. Great job everybody. Now we are feeling calm and relaxed. Let's move on with our assembly. Thank you.
Kare